Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've been going over Eskimos macros lately and learning more and more. I've got an oddball shape here, and I'm going to draw lines, and I'm going to get the 2-point line, and I'm going to go from right here where they're going to be perpendicular where I draw them. Now I've got the match vector open. I'm going to tag it, and then I'm going to put another one, and I'm not paying attention to the length of them. I'm just haphazardly putting these in here, and see how it changes that perspective from, so we're tagging them. So now if we tag it, you can see that there's 6 that I've tagged. So, but I want them all the same length. So if we pick this one and go to, let's go to find all, and it picked them all, but it took away the length in here because we're going to vector tune this, basically is what he calls it, and that's what it's called. And we're going to make each line 2.5 inches. And voila, now each line is 2.5 inches. Now, I'm going to kind of stop this, and we're going to go into it again. And I'm also going to leave a link to Eskimo's video on this. I just want to get this on my channel just to get it out there, but he is an expert of this, and he's the one that developed it. I'll put a link to the macro, and you're probably asking, why would you ever do that? Well, there's a reason here in a minute, on maybe part 2 of this. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.